Hi, Rich Davis here with Best FQ. Today I want to share with you a fun topic. Tax treaties and offshore tax havens are one of the top 10 best kept billionaire secrets. I'm going to explain how they can benefit you, your legacy plan, and your company, just as they have with several Fortune 100 companies you will identify with here in just a moment. The top corporate income tax bracket in the United States is 40%. But in Ireland, it's only 12.5%. And in Bermuda or the Cayman Islands, there's a 0% corporate tax rate. Let me illustrate. As you can see here, the United States has a tax treaty with Switzerland, and the Swiss have a tax treaty with Ireland, who in return have a tax treaty with Bermuda. For this example, to pay a 0 corporate tax, one only needs a Swiss corp owned by an Irish corp that in return is owned by a Bermuda-based corp. That means multinational companies that shift their earnings through Ireland to Bermuda to save billions of dollars in taxes each year. Because of the ownership structure and flow of funds, a company like yours, Google, or Microsoft can legally turn a 40% tax rate into a 0% corporate tax rate. For example, let's use Forest Laboratories here, who is the manufacturer of the antidepressant Lexapro, and how this corp cut its total income tax bill by more than a third last year by allocating income through various tax haven subsidiaries. They're a company that does almost 100% of their sales here in the United States. They have almost 100% of their sales force here in the United States. And they're headquartered right here in New York City. Yet the majority of their profits show up overseas, most of them attributed to a mailbox in Bermuda, a recent Bloomberg report stated. Did you know there are currently over 2,000 tax treaties within the U.S. whereby no corporate taxes are due? The mass media outlets like to call this strategy corporate tax dodging, even while their very own parent companies enjoy the same tax haven benefits. Let me explain how companies like Google, Pfizer, Lilly, Coca-Cola, Intel, Oracle, Facebook, Aon, Jazz Pharmaceuticals, Seagate Technologies, Sara Lee, Pintar, Microsoft, and even Eaton, a 102-year-old based electronics company, have managed to reduce their tax rates by hundreds of millions of dollars, and in some cases billions of dollars, by taking advantage of offshore tax havens. According to Bloomberg, California-based Google has saved $3 billion in taxes in the last 3 years by shifting the majority of their foreign profits into accounts in Ireland, the Netherlands, and also into Bermuda, using a financial technique called the Dutch sandwich and the double Irish agreement. Basically, Google credited its Irish office with the majority of its non-US sales revenue, and then shuttled that money through various subsidiaries located in Ireland and other countries that save billions in taxes. Google has an Irish operating company selling ads that actually have real employees in Dublin. They then make payments to a Dutch subsidiary with no employees, which in turn makes payments to a Bermuda-based headquartered Irish company with no employees at all. And again, the result that it helps to cut about $3 billion in Google's income taxes in the last 3 years. In most cases, with the above referenced tax strategies, you merely are deferring the tax as long as you keep it outside of the United States. By allowing Best FQ to increase your financial intelligence, our code specialists can teach you how you can legally spend those tax-free dollars right here in the United States. Remember, it's not how much money you earn, it's how much money you keep. According to the latest data from the Federal Reserve, offshore corporate tax havens are sitting on a record pile of cash in the amount of exceeding $1.9 trillion. Jane Paneer, a spokeswoman for Google, told Bloomberg News the technology giant practices are very similar to those used at countless other global companies operating across a wide range of industries. She declined to address the particulars of this tax strategy. You know, at Best FQ, we are here to provide you with the very same forbidden knowledge. 33%, or 10 of the 30 companies listed on the Dow Jones Industrial Average, actually have addresses in the Cayman Islands. And this 5-story building called the Uglin House on South Church Street in the Caymans serves as the official address for 18,857 corporations. Remember, you don't have to be a billionaire to be a client at Best FQ. You just have to think like one. To reserve your copy of our new Offshore Tax Haven ebook, please click the link below. Again, thank you for your time, and our code specialists look forward to assisting you with all your financial intelligence needs. Have a blessed day.